Hello wonderful people, Groovy Mom here. I am just going to show you a quick, easy dinner that I'm making tonight. This is just our dinner tonight. It is kind of a replica of what we had yesterday. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday. Well, not her birthday, but it was her Sunday birthday dinner. So usually for Sunday dinners, we have something like one of the kids' favorite meals or something like that, or try to do something. And my daughter really likes snacks. So this was from yesterday. Just a quick clip. I have some dips, some hummus, a little bit of the veggie dip that I have here, and then the bacon and cheddar dip from Walmart that I love. And then here's some sweet treats. I had more yesterday, but this was all I taped. That's what I did. Cucumbers from my garden. Did some snacks, some cheddar cheese, some dry cured salami, some yummy little meatballs, super easy. I will show you how to make them very, 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 very easy. So right now, and obviously we're on a budget and not everything we can get at the store. I noticed that the paper towels and toilet paper were again cleared out. A lot of the drinks were cleared out. I don't know what that's about. If it was just bad stocking, I was at Walmart, but it's kind of weird. But anyway, so what I have in here that I'm starting, we're eating in a few hours, are just some cocktail meatballs. So I got a bag of meatballs from Walmart, and I added these three ingredients, just jelly, hot sauce, and barbecue to make kind of like a sweet, tangy sauce. And then we can eat those. So that'll be good. Just use pre-made meatballs or make them yourself. And then my crackers and Frank's Triscuits. And then this is Frank Aunt's dip. It is what I would call Aunt Karen's dip. And it is very, very good. I will give you the recipe right here. She said she got it out of, oh whoops, this is my journal book, not my recipe book. Got a little, whoops, little mark, it says dill dip. Whoops, I can't show you, it's not working. Huh. There we go. Dill dip, because I went over to her house one day and she made me some snacks and she made me this. And she said that she got the recipe like in a magazine years and years and years ago, and that's the recipe she used. So cup of mayo, cup of sour cream, and then a tablespoon of each, and it was called something. It was like one something recipe, or I don't know what it was. I also add a little bit of garlic, so maybe half a tablespoon of garlic. I don't know what would happen if you added a whole tablespoon. I just love garlic, but it is very, very good. This is my much battered and used recipe book. That was a recipe I made for 4th of July. But anyway, that is our meal. And I also have, I think I took a picture of my Instagram. This is cilantro, but it started to flower. And so I thought I'd put it in here. I like to do little simple floral things. I don't usually ever buy flowers because I just don't. But this is a cone flower from my backyard. The bees love those. And then this was Ludi's moving out of his apartment and he's trying to thin the herd of stuff he has to move, and this was like a sugar canister, so he just was getting rid of it. So I just took the top off and made a vase out of it. I think it looks nice. That's it. Hope you're having a good day. Peace be with you.